Alright, so we are on our way to the town. We're going to Malecón, right? Malecón? Yeah, we are exiting the hotel. Just driving now and kind of just like see how it goes from there. I'm not too informed of what we're gonna see, but just kind of be on the way. Yeah, so let's go. We're out now, and yeah. Get a stock over here. There.
Inside is the playground.
So right here is a private residence. Pretty insane looking. So it's not a hotel, it's private residence.
Here would be nice to have the night kind of 20 million. The one that swallowed Nemo or something, right? They carry them or something.
So we just got out of a shop that had a bunch of, so they were like bead statues, and actually one of the guys is going to make me a fox one, and it's going to be made out of, not made out of beads, but made out of glass, and that's going to be very interesting to see. I got a ticket. It's going to be ready in about 2 hours. Just buying crazy, 400 pesos, and it's about it was $21. So I'm excited to get that in a couple hours. These are little grains. Should start
Alegría.
Alegría.
Alegría, yeah.
Tastes like kind of like a granola bar.
It's good. It's like softer.
We got chokis. We got chokis.
Cup it out.
What the? We lost them. Are you okay?
Look at my nose.
Let's go. Oh no.
Ay, cuidado, mijo.
What the heck?
Stop laughing.
You choke. I think I did it. Your nose. That was so funny. I didn't know, but I have a seat. Chris doesn't have a seat. He's just standing. We'll sit up against the door so your legs don't get tired out.